Welcome back to Joda Decor, your cozy corner for vintage home inspiration. Today, we're diving into the dreamy world of shabby chic vintage holiday decorating ideas, filled with soft colors, romantic textures, and timeless charm. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to share your favorite idea. Let's create a holiday home that feels like a winter love story. Shabby chic holiday decor is all about embracing elegant imperfections, think aged finishes, faded pastels, and delicate vintage finds. Combine whitewashed wood, floral fabrics, and antique details to bring that romantic nostalgia to your festive home. Forget bold reds and greens this season. Instead, opt for blush pinks, soft ivory, pale mint, and dusty blue. These gentle tones create a peaceful and romantic setting that feels straight out of a vintage postcard. Incorporate distressed or whitewashed furniture to give your space that well-loved charm. An old dresser can become a stunning holiday display table for candles, garlands, and vintage ornaments. Soft lighting is key in creating the shabby chic atmosphere. Use lace-covered lampshades, twinkling fairy lights, and candle clusters to bathe your room in a warm, romantic glow. Deck your tree with pearl garlands, glass baubles, lace ribbons, and handmade ornaments that tell a story. Each piece should feel unique, as if it's been passed down through generations. Add winter florals like dried roses, eucalyptus, or baby's breath to soften your holiday setup. Place them in chipped pitchers or vintage vases for that authentic, time-worn charm. Layer your space with fluffy throws, linen tablecloths, and crochet details. These soft textures invite warmth and romance, perfect for cozy winter gatherings. For your holiday dining table, mix antique china, lace runners, and crystal glassware. Add gentle candlelight and floral centerpieces to create a scene worthy of a romantic vintage film. Embrace the beauty of DIY vintage crafts, repurpose old teacups as candle holders, wrap gifts in faded music sheets, or create wreaths from leftover lace and ribbons. Dress your mantel with layered garlands, soft stockings, and distressed mirror frames. Finish with twinkling lights for a fairy tale-like shimmer that brings the room to life. Add sentimental touches like framed vintage photos, antique clocks, or handwritten holiday cards. These little details connect the past and present, wrapping your home in heartfelt charm. And there you have it, a shabby chic vintage holiday home filled with softness, romance, and timeless beauty. I hope these ideas inspire you to create your own dreamy holiday retreat. Don't forget to subscribe to Joda Decor, like this video, and share your favorite idea in the comments. Wishing you a beautifully vintage Christmas.